Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Python 3.11 is installed and accessible. Next, create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install base packages and initialize a Git repository to track changes. You're not configuring every option, you're starting the executable path. Run python mpip install upgrade pip, then pip install what you need. This first action sequence gets you. Now focus on the middle steps where the work happens. Structure your project with a src directory, add tests, and pick a build config like piproject. Toml. Write a small module, then write a unit test. Run pytest to validate behavior. Make sure to lint and type check so errors surface early. Use flake 8 or rough and MIPI for types. Once tests pass, run the app entry point with python your package. This keeps changes safe and predictable while you iterate. Finish by packaging and deploying. Build a wheel and verify installation in a fresh virtualenv. Then choose deployment. Upload via Twine for PyPI or containerize with Docker for services. Make sure to tag the release in Git and update changelogs so you can trace changes. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally, inspect logs, and run tests. If necessary, roll back to the last passing commit. One key tip: always isolate the failing case before changing code to avoid chasing noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.